You can find trim removal tool set below in the video description. Here are the steps you need to follow. First, remove the plastic part from the gear shift using a trim removal tool. Two, unscrew the gear shift knob from the lever and take it out. You can find the gear shift knob and gaiter for Ford Focus Mk2 below in the video description. You can also unscrew the plastic frame on the gear shift gaiter. If you have any suggestions about new tutorials, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel, Tutorial Auto. Thank you for watching.